In this next example, we're going to look at a ladder that's leaning against a building, touching a fence. So I'm going to start by drawing a picture of that. So if I consider this over here to be my building, and I'll use green to represent the ground over here. Okay, I'm going to draw in a ladder, and I'll also draw in a fence. Okay, so we know that the fence is 1.8 meters tall, and we know that that fence is 1.8 meters from the building. I also know that the bottom of the ladder is 1.2 meters from the fence. So here I see two different triangles I can draw. The first one is going to be the building and where the ladder reaches it. So this is just the ladder leaning against the building. So I'm going to take both of these pieces together, and that gets me 3. And then I'm going to take the piece of just the fence and where the ladder is leaning against it. And I'm going to highlight the corresponding parts. So that's the building and the fence. And then corresponding parts of the, oops, it didn't pick up the color change, of the ground. Okay. Then I'm going to use those highlighters to help me set up my proportion. So I'm looking at x over 1.8 and 3 over 1.2. I'm going to cross multiply, so I get 1.2x is equal to 3 times 1.8. 1.2x is equal to 5.4, and when I divide by 1.2 on both sides, I get x is equal to 4.5. I'm working in meters, so the ladder leans 1.5 meters up the wall. So here is my building, and the tip of the ladder is, 4.5 meters up that wall. And that's that problem.